Alright guys, we are back with Fanny right here. Hi Fanny, Fanny. Superstar. This is Superstar Fanny. Hi, hi. Say hi everybody. Hi. Roof, 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 roof. And then Booby. Where's Booby? Booby's over here. He's like, I want to go lay down. What are you guys doing out here? I want to go lay down. I'm the old man. I need to go lay down, go sleepy. And Fanny's like, no, I want to play. Let's play. Come on, everybody, let's play. Come on, time to play. Come on. What's going on? What's going on over here? What's going on over here? Alright, anyways. So, let's see, the Camaro. Update for the day, for the evening. The Camaro is basically done. I'm waiting for the MAF sensor to show up. Unfortunately, it's still not here. It's been over 3 days since I ordered all the parts. So, yeah. Bad review. Okay, so anyways, that's the side post. That's going to get secured to the fence there eventually. All of this right here will be eventually wrapped up with some of that. So it looks like that. Oh, look at the birdies with the eyeballs. Glowing eyeballs. Alright, anyways. Doggy with glowing eyeballs too. So basically we have, that's about 2 foot. I'm going to bury half of it. Alright, and that's going to be right about there, which is what I mean is it'll be buried at the halfway point here at that location. So it'll be buried about 12 inches down all the way across. And then from there, with that piece set inside, there's just enough room for me to put one of these right in there. You'll see why later on. It's going to be used for an application. So what we got here is we did a rough estimate. We basically split it in half. So put a brace there, split that in half again, put a brace there, and then on the inside I put another brace there, and then I repeated that process over here, split it in half, and then I put another little brace in there, basically another one of these pieces. So there's 2 of them, 1 and 2. All right, so it gives me a little bit more. Hi doggy, that's my guard doggy. A little bit more to secure into. And then later on, all the critters will be growing in there. They'll have a nice little home to have little casita. So basically, when it's done, it's going to be 7 feet in height, and 7 feet in height is just under my roof here, which is basically it'll be right about this height here. So basically what I plan on doing is just extending this roof. So what I did originally, I secured it off of the fence originally, and that's the 4x4 that goes into the ground. But since I had this was the location, I had to install a secondary mounting point here, which I installed this one right there. So it gave me somewhere equal from here to here so that I can mount across, so it looks aesthetically correct. Correct mundo. Alright, let me focus that. Focus. Alrighty everybody, so there's that. So the Camaro is basically done. We're waiting on the MAF sensor. Should be here tomorrow. The F250 is I just got the carburetor today, but there's some issues with it, of course. So I have to call them in the morning and discuss what's going on and go from there. I mean, it's basically complete, but if you guys seen the video that I uploaded, you'll kind of see why. So anyways, I got to give them a call in the morning and figure out that. I'm still waiting on the sending unit from whoever I ordered it from, one of those car places. So hopefully it'll be here in a day or two, today or tomorrow. Well, not today, obviously, possibly by tomorrow. Yay, fun. And then Saturday is gonna be a fun day. I cannot wait for Saturday, but I cannot what's the word? I cannot spill the beans because it's supposed to be a surprise. So you guys stick around for Saturday's events and uploads. I'm not sure if we'll be able to upload because of our location. A clue. But anyways, we might just film them and save them, and then when we get home, we'll upload. So depending on how that goes, it'll be either we'll be able to upload during the day, and you'll see them throughout the day, or you'll just have to wait until we get home, and then you'll see them. So, fun. So big shout out to Silver Baggins. He's doing looks like a live stream right now. Let's see who else. Big shout out to the Stacking Kid, David Carlisle, everybody else. Hazel Hyde Finds. Yeah, party. So basically, what we're gonna do is once that piece is installed here, basically it's gonna give me a mounting point, because this is gonna be here. Basically just picture this piece here, and then with that extra reinforcement there, and then I might put another piece reinforcement in here going all the way up. Just picture one going all the way up. That'll basically give me a location to put a door, because the door that I want to put is going to be like a barn door, kind of, sort of, in that. So basically we have just a little extra of 4 feet. So let's just say, hi puppy, look, the puppy, she wants to supervise. So let's just say we take it exactly 4 feet. So basically that will be this area here, and this area will be the door. And I'm gonna make that one like a barn door, like I did the other side. Not this door, but you know. If you're following and watching, you know which one. So that way it'll be wide enough to bring in a wheelbarrow, whatever I need to wheel in there, drag in there, whatever. I could roll this thing in there if I wanted to, whatever. Plenty of room, right? And then from there, what I'm thinking is like this area, I might have like 1 or 2 of the metal cans with their food, like, so I could seal it and they can't get in, and it could be outside, away from the critters, well, away from, how do I say it, away from everybody, away from being indoors, so I don't have to worry about it in there, more room in there. And then it's closer over here, closer to them, but of course it's sealed. Basically, let me show you. Oh look, there's Booby. Basically this guy here, one thing I'd have to worry about is it rusting out. I mean, nothing can really, right? I could put maybe a bungee cord across it to seal it up. There's some of those. Those are old school. Those are for sale. Anybody interested, holler. Holla, 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 holla. Holla at your boy. Oh, and do me a favor. Go check out my eBay channel. Yeah. Go check out my eBay channel. Go check out Hazel Hyde Finds eBay channel as well. So it's Tony's Hobby Channel / eBay, whatever. Something, blah, blah, eBay. My name. And then also Hazel Hyde Finds eBay channel. Right, puppy? Yay, puppy. Puppy power. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. Signing out for the night. So this is in the progress. Almost done. Waiting on a couple parts. Waiting on the part for the Camaro. Waiting on the pump for the truck. Got to call the carburetor guys tomorrow. Working on this. All right, guys. guys have a wonderful evening. Be safe. All that good stuff. And look forward to seeing you guys Saturday in the comments down below. Alright, Fanny, say goodnight. Bye. Good night, everybody. Take care.